biodegradable PPE. It's the need of the hour because PPEs are very heavy and when we wear the PPE for quite a long time, but as a doctor, I want to ensure the safety and the permissibility of whether safety of the virus, whether it is totally safe, and that is also should be enforced, should be judged. That is my view, because any dress or any cover cannot be the PPE. The PPE has some safety measures. I want to know whether those protocols are followed. Yeah, another thing, and my appreciation to K. Volga, the solar dehydrated foods, and my appreciation to Mr. Anubhav, Zilli's vegetable powders, and Mrs. Jidentriya, the biodegradable products, and my appreciation to Mrs. Radhika, the energy foods. And apart from everything, my appreciation to our Secretary Surendra Mohan Garu for initiating this scheme. When I told this with the help of our Bhavani Shankar and Raghu Prasad and all the other staff like our Major Tushant. So they all unitedly made it possible, and my appreciation to Madam Pallavi Joshi. She was for her presentation, and Madam's name? Madam Sridevi for her presence, and my thank my friends press for your presence. You take a good message so that this Atmanirbhar can be implemented in all the organizations so that it will be helpful. And I respect and my appreciation to all Rajbhavar Parivar women who have come forward to take this opportunity. And apart from that, my respects to our advisors, Sharmaji and Mohanji, so that there are pillars like their senior officials who are very supportive to all our efforts. And really I appreciate each and everyone, my security personals, Janagiraman and his team, and all the Rajbhavan staff, my photographer Lakshmi Narayana and Srinivasa and Satish, and all of them, because without the team, embroidery, ఏమైనా సేతి నేర్చుకోండి. అయితే కోవిడ్ కారణంగా సేఫ్టీ పాటించండి, మాస్క్ వేసుకోండి, చేతులు కడుక్కోండి, దూరం పాటించండి, ఆర్థికంగా బలపడండి. రాజ్భవన్లో అందరూ క్షేమంగా ఉండాలి, అలాగే ఆర్థికంగా కూడా బలంగా ఉండాలి. కాబట్టి అందరూ ఎంతో కొంత పని చేసి సంపాదించాలి. అందుకని ప్రధానమంత్రి ఆత్మనిర్భర్ కార్యక్రమానికి శ్రీకారం చుట్టారు. మీరు అందరూ కూడా ఏమైనా చేతి పనులు, కుట్లు, అల్లికలు నేర్చుకొని మీరు కూడా డబ్బు సంపాదించుకోవచ్చు. దట్ ఈస్ ది ఎయిమ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. I don't know how my language was there, but I want the Rajbhavan Parivar to be economically strong and women empowerment, because we move ourselves as a family here, and in this COVID situation everyone should be empowered, economically empowered. And our honorable Prime Minister has come out with good schemes: self-reliance, self-sufficiency, vocal for local, and Atmanirbhar. So I want the free time by the Rajbhavan Parivar women or even of the entrepreneurship, so that they can earn money when they use their free time. Not only that, when a woman is empowered with economy, when economical empowerment is there, even I should say whatever the money which is earned by women, it is only spent to the family. Not, it is not that men are not spending, but the saving they can do much more other interest to spend the money. But women, when she has money, she will spend only to the family, she will spend to the husband, she will spend to the children, welfare of the children. So I thought when our Honorable Prime Minister was delivering the lecture about the Atmanirbhar, and when he want India to be self-reliant, and I thought whatever, because Prime Minister is he's a very big heart, so that all the people who are all suffering from the getting their assistance from the central government. So I thought when our Honorable Prime Minister is introducing the Atmanirbhar for the whole country, why can't we, in a small way, we can set an example by introducing this Atmanirbhar scheme to our Raj Bhavan Parivar. So it may be a good initiation, it may be a good start, and it may be a role model to other organizations. The country will be looked after by our Honorable Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. But when some organizations like us, small groups, when colonies, when they take such initiatives, it will be very helpful for the families to compensate the economical strain which they gain during this pandemic. And apart from that, whatever may be the efforts by the families and the women, I plead everyone, even you come for training, even when you go for marketing, whatever may be, please be very careful. We have to live with COVID. COVID have not gone away. COVID is still with us. COVID is sitting in amidst us, actually expecting whether I will touch you, so it can catch me. So you must be very careful. Always, whenever you touch an object, please use sanitizer or immediately wash your hands. Use mask always, whether we have immunization or not. Now, mask is the immunization. Mask is the preventive gadget which we can wear immediately. And please maintain the distance. Always wash your hands, have a sanitizer in your hand always. So be safe, and I wish you all the success, and I appreciate the women entrepreneurship for their exemplary work, and I appreciate the entrepreneurs who are all present here. DP, who is from TechOpt, Alizon Khan, and Kunjan Maheshwari from Crafts Creations, which is recycled papers. Really, I enjoyed it, because nowadays even 9 people are opted for that. We can present whenever we go to a program, when such are gifted. It's eco-friendly, as well as it is helping a person who is involved in this craft making. And my appreciation to Mrs. Bhavani, jute bags, and my appreciation to Annapurna, which is biodegradable PPE. It's the near people, you take the training, but don't hesitate to do the usual work. Don't absent yourself. As the head of the institution, I